Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm Ahmed and you're watching Culinary Image. Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite appetizers, which is called Mutabel. Most of you guys know it as Baba Ganoush, but there's a very slight variation and difference in the ingredients between the two. Baba Ganoush is basically roasted eggplant puree with diced bell peppers, tomatoes, parsley, and pomegranate molasses. Mutabel, on the other hand, is also an roasted eggplant puree or baked, which has tahini paste in it, which is one of the main ingredients, plus something called Labneh. Most of you people might consider it as very similar to sour cream, SUMAC, and the rest is additional. If you want to add diced parsleys in it, more power to you. If you want to add chopped tomatoes, and so be it. So there's a lot of ways to play with these two dishes because they're so identical and similar to each other. So the choice is all yours. Now, you don't necessarily have to use this dish as an appetizer. A lot of people use it as a meal. I, on the other hand, do that as well. Most vegans do. Usually when I come back from the gym and I'm in a rush, I have to be somewhere or go somewhere, that's what I do. I take a nice thick slice of sourdough bread, I grill it, toast it, and simply rub some of this puree all over it with a little bit of olive oil, and voila, you've got yourself the perfect sandwich to go. So let's begin, and I will show you how to make this simple, easy, beautiful recipe.